Hare Krishna. As you all know, this TOVP, the Temple of Vedic Planetarium, is actually the manifestation of the prediction of Nityananda Prabhu and the prediction of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur and Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, and eventually it is the fulfillment of the dream of Srila Prabhupada. So we have to recognize that Krishna, just as he comes here to give us an opportunity to get close to him, this is an opportunity that Krishna is providing for us to get close to him. All that we have is actually Krishna's gift to us. Krishna has given us everything, even before we even asked for them. Even before we were even aware of that need. Just consider, a child is born and immediately the mother's breasts become filled with milk, the food for the child. Did the child ever ask, Krishna, give me my mouthful of milk? No. Krishna made all these arrangements. So in this way, Krishna is taking care of us in all respects. Now it's up to us to reciprocate. So don't think that this is just a manifestation of a temple that ISKCON is building, but look at it as Krishna is giving you an opportunity to render some service to him. Srila Prabhupada has given you so much, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given you so much, Krishna has given you so much. Now what are you going to do towards their contribution to you? And a wonderful opportunity is coming up. Akshaya Tritiya, a very, very auspicious time. Whatever you do on this day takes the shape of eternity, endlessness. No diminution, just rather it keeps on increasing. So take advantage. We are providing you with this opportunity that on this day, from this day, for 10 more days, from 7th of May, Akshaya Tritiya, until the 17th of May, we are opening up an opportunity that anyone can come forward and pledge whatever you want to do for this TOVP, Temple of Vedic Planetarium. Like many of you have already donated, but if you want to give even more, please feel free to do that. Many of you have made pledges, but the pledges haven't been completed. So make it a point to complete your pledge. And those of you, many of you, who may not have taken the opportunity to contribute, so take advantage of this opportunity. I want to also announce at the same time that Ambarish Prabhu, who has been, inconceivably generous towards this, the completion, towards the construction of this temple, that whoever comes up with a donation on this day or during this time, he is going to match it. So please come forward, because the temple needs your help. Or rather, I would put it the other way around. Krishna is providing you the opportunity to do something for him. 3 more years are there to take advantage of this opportunity. So please take advantage of the opportunity and show your gratitude towards Krishna. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.